Yo guys, what's up, what's going on? Today I'll show you how to fix your Windows store apps. So a lot of apps are applications are available in your Windows 10. Some comes with Windows 10 and some you can download from Play Store from here. Not Play Store, actually Microsoft Store. So you can download it from here. Anyways, now when you go here into the apps, I apologize. Okay, now here all the applications are available, the Microsoft Store apps and the Windows app and some other apps like as you can see here, I have installed the Photoshop or the Bandicam and Camtasia, so browser, Google Chrome, etc. So you can easily fix them. Like for example, the Windows Microsoft Store apps, simply you need to find the Microsoft Store apps. For example, this is the Microsoft Store app. So you will get with Microsoft Store some few options, like here advanced options. Just go over there. Now you can also background, if it's not running properly, then you can also check this options, background apps, check this on and restore your PC. And also you can see a terminate means close it forcefully, and then reset means clear all your data, just like renew installation, and then uninstall. So all the options, try one by one. First terminate and check this option, background apps, and restart your PC. It should be fixed your issue. If still it's not fixing, then reset and try to reopen it without restarting. It should be fixed. Still it's not working, then uninstall and reinstall it. First uninstall, then restart your PC and then try again. So this is the procedure to tweak the Microsoft apps. And some other apps like the Photoshop, you cannot see here advanced option, you can simply uninstall. And some applications have modify options because they have built-in modify options, so you will get here. Otherwise only the uninstall feature you will see here. And with Microsoft Store apps, you will see here the some other applications. And yeah, if your Microsoft applications are not installing after downloading, then here app installer, so simply you need to go into the advanced setting and you will see here the repair option. You can simply repair it or reset it. Repair should be work first. If it's not working, then you can reset your PC. So these are the ways guys you can tweak yourself. Now just listen to me. I'll post now some few videos related to the Valorant, some new optimizations, some network optimizations, and the last one is definitely about Windows optimizations. So I'll make 3 series for 3 different content, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. And yeah, I'll just configure again some playlist and deleting all the playlist, older playlist. I'll configure some new playlist for gaming optimization, a different series, and for Windows and network optimizations, a different series, just like that. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the future videos. See you, bye bye.